love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can't give you here?
What is up, you guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's a girl Babita here, and I'm sharing a couple of cute and easy hairstyles that I really think are really super simple, super easy, I promise you guys, and really cute. So hopefully you guys love this hair tutorial and enjoy watching. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click that notification bell icon to get notified on all of my new uploads. Please be sure you click that notification bell icon and thumbs up the video and comment down below which hairstyle you like the most and why. And yeah, share your thoughts if you have any requests, like which kind of hairstyle or hair tutorial you would love me filming and sharing with you. So just jump
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go.
This hairstyle is so cute, you guys. To create this hairstyle, I'm gathering some hair from the crown of my head and tying that into short of a ponytail with a hair tie, and then pinching the crown base a bit for some volume so it doesn't look that flat at the front side. Alright, so next I'm tying a second hair tie at some 2 inches gap or so, same way like the first hair tie, the ponytail, and then pinching the braid so it forms the bubble shape, and here it is. How cute! Alright, so I'm again tying my hair at some 2 inches gap or so and pinching the braid so it forms the shape again like a bubble, and I'm repeating the same steps to create one more bubble braid to get 3 bubble braids total. And here's our hairstyle is done. How cute and bubbly is that? I really loved it. Looks so classy, so trendy, and one of my favorite hairstyles.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go.
You guys, next hairstyle is so effortless and easy to recreate, and to create that I'm taking some hair from the crown of my head and securing that into short of a ponytail. But for the last loop, I'm not taking my hair entirely through the loop but a little portion of it so it forms a cute tiny bun shape like so, and then I'm twisting rest of my hair while I keep my left hand on the loop, and then I'm taking the twisted hair over the bun and securing that through and under the bun hair tie like how you watch these steps. And to give it a finishing touch, I'm pinching the second bun for some volume and puffier look and feel, and here's our hairstyle is complete. How classy it looks.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed.
Alright, so this hairstyle is a regular 3-strand braid hairstyle. You guys, if you pinch your braid stitches more and little carefully, they become so puffier and so gorgeous. I love this hairstyle. I love wearing my hair this way with twin braid hairstyles most of the times during this COVID-19 lockdown situation. Make sure you don't tie your layers or fringes if you have any. And then I'm securing the hair into high ponytail, and finally taking a small thin hair strand and wrapping that around hair tie to cover that up. And